Hey everyone, welcome back to Mellow Bites. Today we are unboxing a travel essential that's perfect for work, weekend getaways or even your gym runs. The Carry Pro 30-liter Overnighter Duffel Backpack. Let's start unboxing this. This bag is wrapped with the plastic cover. First, let's take off this plastic cover and then check what are the amenities in this travel bag. Oh, here is an extra handle inside this wrap. Here we go. Also, there's a congrats card for buying this bag, and there's also a QR code. There's also Instagram and social media pages handle as well. Let's keep this aside and start checking if there is any other accessories inside. Oh, here we have a beautiful sticker that can be pasted on the bag, and here they also have given an extra pouch. I think this is like a raincoat for the bag. Let's put that aside and see the bag first. Let's first throw this packaging off and put the bag to see the amenities. Now, right out of the box, this bag, on looking, it seems like exactly a businessly, durable and smartly designed model. On the front side, lower part of the bag, there are two pouches. It's having a clutch model lock. And even after removing this clutch model lock, there is a zipper as well. It's really convenient to put your mobile or wallets here, I guess. So there are two such pouch model with the clutch. On the upper part of the front bag, there is also another zipper without a clutch key model. And inside they have given more stickers. It shows India, travel mode on. This is the most preferred one for me. It exactly says in what mode we are. Apart from India, there's also Pro Squat, Sukhum. Let's put this inside. The zip is really good. The clutch is really good. I love the way they are having two closure models for each pouch. It's more safe when you have two types of closures. Oh, here also they have already given a felt style sticker. So if you need, you can replace the travel mode on that side. Now let's open the main zipper. Here we go. And check this out, a 180-degree wide opening for quick and easy access. This is really good. And also look at this, it can hold a 15.6-inch laptop. It's really comfortable. You can also arrange your clothes if you're on travel mode, or for business purposes you can take your laptop. So it's quite two-way use. The depth of the bag is also good. They also have two extra pouches. You can put your power plug, charger, or you can even put your travel accessories into it. It's quite comfortable. Wow, I love this most. It's a two-way carry option. You can wear like a backpack or carry it like a duffel. So whether you're heading for a meeting or even hopping onto a flight, it adapts to our style. This bag also comes with a 2-year warranty, so you know you're covered. And also, I love this bag. If you are a solo traveler or a business person, or just you're going to a gym or to a meeting, this is really comfortable. Oh, let's check this other pouch that came with. Yes, this is a rain cover as we guessed, so you don't need to worry about any weather changes. You won't mess with your plans if it's raining outside. Just take this rain cover off and put it all over the bag. If you really like this bag, you can check the link in the description box. Though they have given 5 cool bonus velcro stickers, my favorite one is this travel mode on. Let me put on it to personalize the bag. This bag definitely looks compact, stylish and feature packed. This Carry Pro Overnighter is designed for modern travelers and busy professional alike. And if you are someone who loves organized, stress-free travel, this bag is definitely a game changer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more unboxing, travel gear reviews and lifestyle tips, along with food and other travel vlogs. See you in the next one. Bye.